Sesame Teriyaki Stir-Fry, olive oil down on the griddle, followed by a little bit of garlic sauce, green bell pepper going down, a couple of red onions. We'll chop them up right here. Let's get crazy. Stir-fry is my favorite thing to make for sure, because you can take it in so many directions. You know, it doesn't matter what you have. What color onion, what color pepper, broccoli, cauliflower, whatever. I mean, there's so many different kinds of things you can do with stir-fry, so I love it. It's amazing, basically turning your griddle top into a gigantic wok. Next, we've got the broccoli slaw right there. You can pick that up in the produce section. So, broccoli slaw, broccoli, carrots, red cabbage. So again, you gotta have to take your mind off the griddle and almost turn it into a wok. If you have to, just imagine it being cylindrical. There we go. Olive oil. Again, I'm using a lot of oil because we got a lot of product here. At home, you wouldn't be using quite that much. Spatulas. Cooking quick. You tell it's hot, man. I got wind guards on. We're probably at 650, at least 650 degrees here now. So we're getting that stuff cooking over here. The steak's gonna go super quick. So we have sirloin steak over here that I've cut up into little strips. Sirloin steak. That'll be going on next. But we want to make sure our veggies are pretty close before we put the steak on. Also get a little bit of salt in there. A little bit of salt. Who likes doing stir-fry on the griddle? Anybody? Oh man, a lot of people. This is a mixture of Hokkien and udon noodles straight down here on the griddle. By themselves, pretty bland, pretty flavorless. But once they start to soak up all the juices from the steak, from the oil, from the food, oh my goodness. I find it hard to even use rice anymore. Like if I'm doing stir-fry at the house, it pretty much always has these noodles in them. Okay, we're gonna mix it straight up with these veggies, get that going, then we'll drop our steak down. Woo. Everyone say hi to Tiffany, she's been helping us out this weekend. All right, looking good. So we're gonna come over here, throw some oil down. We'll get that sirloin steak right here, straight down. Black pepper if you want, otherwise use white pepper or no pepper. I get that steak cooking, make sure I don't mix it up with the stir fry. I want to make sure it gets seared up over there. Then we'll throw it all together at the last minute. You don't have to add meat to this if you don't want to eat meat. This would be amazing without meat in it. What's that? You could, I guess. That'd be weird, but yeah. Oh, there's some people that have to have bacon and everything, right? Yeah, that's true. All right, steak's looking good. We're about medium rare-ish right now. I'll mix everything together and that'll continue to cook and steam up, but we'll try not to make it tough for you. All right, Blackstone Sesame Teriyaki right here, and spinach as well. So spinach will be a big pile and it'll steam down to nothing. So spinach and kale mixture works great. Bok choy as well. Put that down there like so. There's a huge amount. Again, you probably wouldn't be cooking this much at home, so be careful. And then the sesame teriyaki. Ooh, get a picture of that, baby. Look at that. Perfect. Coming over. That's like 3 pounds in every scoop. So quick, high heat, high as possible. Good ingredients, and we should have a tasty treat right there. Stir fry time, man. And look at this guy's scoop. He's a pro. Get some stir fry. Step right up. I like your shirt, by the way.
I like it.
Man, this guy comes with a nice shirt on. Now can you sing us a Michael McDonald song?
Later.
It is good.
Oh, thanks. Scrape it off. I mean, that's pretty much it. This would be an instance where you might want to use a little bit of water. You know, if you have all that sugar, you need to get some of that extra water off there. But just scrape it off. And use a little bit of water, wipe it down, and no different than cooking hamburgers if your griddle's properly seasoned. Pardon me? Well, Walmart sells them, yeah. That's all there is to it. Again, if you wanted to, you could grab some water. If you had an area that had extra sugar on there, a little water on there, you could always direct it back towards the grease cup. See it pulling up little pieces of garlic and whatnot that I didn't get on the first pass. Wipe it down, got a little oil. Like so, whatever cooking oil, this is extra virgin we're using today. And then wipe it in. So it's ready to pack away for the night, or if you wanted to start making pancakes or whatever, you know, same thing. So again, like I mentioned earlier, light coating of oil goes a long way to keeping that thing slick and non-stick. Don't just put oil where you're cooking only, because then you're going to get uneven seasoning. But that's what it should look like, just like that. If you guys didn't get any yet, the stir fry is up in the window. Grab some Sesame Teriyaki Stir-Fry. That's all there is to it. So that's how easy it is to do the Sesame Teriyaki Stir-Fry in the Blackstone Griddle. So from Roanoke, everybody, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the stir-fry. Stir-fry.